Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to write compound operations and using multiple operators to make a function. So here we have two different example to K formula and Z formula. K formula is term of only one variable and this variable is X. Z formula is function of two variables and these variables are X and Y. Okay, let's calculate the term of K and term of Z using these equations. And what if the final value of K and final value of Z if X equal 2 and Y equal 3? Let's get started and use Microsoft Excel sheet. And the question is how to write this formula using Microsoft Excel. First thing is to write equal sign. Second thing is to open two parentheses. And after that, you will write the first term, x plus 3x. And the x here is this reference plus 3. And after that, we want to divide x plus 3 by 5. So to make division, you must open two parentheses. If you don't open two parentheses and write forward slash and 5, this will calculate only 3 divided by 5. But you want to divide all the term x plus 3 by the 5. So you should open two parentheses. And here is the result of this step is 1. If you remove two parentheses, the result will be completely different. So 2.6. So you must open two parentheses if you want to divide this term by 5. Okay. After that, we want to make square and power this term by 2. So shift 6 and write 2. Press enter. And here is the final result of K based on X equal 2. And the answer will be just sign equal and this formula. The answer will be 1 and the formula will be like that. Okay. Also, if you want to update the X variable and use another number, say you want to use 100. Once you press enter, the formula will be updated and the answer will be updated according to the new value of X. Like that. Okay. Let's go to the next example and calculate the term of Z. And Z here is function of two variables. The first variable is X and second variable is Y. Let's say that the variable of Y equal 20. Okay. Second thing, we want to write the formula, and the first step is to write equal sign and open two parentheses. And this is minus. We can write minus sign outside the parentheses like that, and write 1 plus reference to y here. And you must open two parentheses to divide the term of y plus 1 plus y divided to x minus y, and open two parentheses and write the lower term x, and this is reference for x, minus y, and this is reference for y. Okay. And after that, there is second term here, and this term is x squared. So the first term here multiplied by x squared. So you must open outer two parentheses here and multiply this term by x squared, and this is the reference for x squared and shift 6 and write 2. So our formula now are completed, and once you press enter, the final result will be appeared. And here is our final result. Write equal to here, this reference, to show the answer. Okay. Once you change y by 1000, say 1000, the formula and the answer will be updated automatically. So if you want to change x by 2 and change y by 3, the k value will be 1 and z value will be 16. And this is the answer of our quiz today. This is lecture today. If you want any assistance or any help, please contact us. And you can contact us using Q&A, Udemy, Smarter Excel group, or our email or our LinkedIn account. Thank you and see you in the next lecture. Thank you.